Hey, I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Mission Matters. My name is Adam Torres, and today we are in Florida at Grant Cardone's headquarters. And let me tell you, I just now watched this amazing pitch competition, and I was fortunate enough to get the number one winner. You won the grand prize today, right, Muna?
Yes,
Welcome to the show.
yes, nice to see you.
All right, so you're coming off of a big win. Tell me, how do you feel?
Honestly, I feel really surprised. Like, I did not expect this at all. I was so shocked, but I'm really grateful and excited to continue to expand my business.
That's amazing. And for the viewers at home, maybe start by talking a little bit more about your business and what you pitched today.
Okay, so my business was called Pill Pal, and it was basically a way for people to take pills and medication simpler.
Mm.
It's basically a cup that I designed that has a straw attachment on it, and it has like a grid. So the pill, you put it inside the straw, and it sits on the grid, and you add water inside the cup, and you just drink it like that. So you don't really ever taste the pill
Mm.
at all. It's just like you're drinking water.
How did you come up with the idea?
So basically, my grandma, she has dementia, and I've been taking care of her for a few years now. And it's like she has a hard time swallowing pills. So I typically blend up the pill in like with water or milk or something. But it's kind of time consuming. So I was trying to figure out like another way. So I did some research online and I went on Tinkercad and played around to see like what I can make.
Yeah. And I saw you had a prototype today. How'd you get that created? That was awesome.
Yeah, so my prototype, my school has a 3D printer, so I was able to use Tinkercad and Blender to like make it on my laptop. And then my teacher 3D printed it for me and like sanded it down and add like gloss to it to make it like
Yeah.
all shiny and
That's
stuff.
amazing. And what was it like working with the Grant Cardone Foundation and Phil and the whole team through this process? Talk about that a little bit.
So working with the Grand Cardone Foundation, I think was really like an exciting experience because I never like had anything like this before, being able to like pitch my business to all these like people in these great high places. So being able to like see, like hear their stories and how they got here, not only motivated me to want to continue my business,
Mm.
but like open my eyes to see like other people's stories, to see how I can kind of take what they were saying today
Mm.
and like apply it to like my story and like my business for the future.
Yeah. And you were also part of an accelerator. So talk about that a little bit and what got you here today.
Yeah, so I'm a part of the Seeds of Fortune company, the Girl Startup Accelerator, and it's basically a program where we create and pitch a business over the course of like 3 months. So like you develop idea, you make your website, and then you go through 2 rounds of competitions to like pitch your idea, and then finally the top 20 girls end up here in Miami,
Yeah.
where we got to pitch today.
What was it like being part of the accelerator? Like, what was that process like? Because I think it's such an interesting experience that you're able to have. Many adults, I mean, haven't been able to do such a thing. So, what was that like going through the accelerator?
So I definitely learned a lot about business. Like I knew like kind of a little bit about marketing, but some of the words like value proposition and stuff, I wasn't like really sure like what that meant, how that makes your business so like stand out. And I think like learning all of those terms, I find it like really important to like
Mhm.
mention it. Like anytime you're talking about your business or you're trying to pitch, like what makes you stand out. I think
Mm.
what accelerators, that's what it really taught us, how to stand out, how to be like unique with your product and your business,
Mm.
but also be authentic in sharing your story.
Now, as I mentioned before, you took first place in the competition. They doubled the grand prize money. I think it was 6,000 or so.
Yeah.
So, what are you're not going to Disneyland with that? That's for your business. What are you gonna do with it?
So I want to use that to start like manufacturing.
Mm.
Although like my prototype it was 3D printed, I have a few different manufacturers that I've been researching, and I would love to buy some prototypes to see which one is the best. And then I'm hoping by next year to have like fully launched, and then I would love to like partner with pharmacies and nursing homes in my community to try to get it to have my Pill Pal products.
Fantastic. Well, Muna, again, congratulations on your performance today on the business. Last thing I want you to do, look into the camera. How can people follow you? How can they follow the journey?
So if you guys like would like to learn more about PillPaw, you guys can go to my website. It's wearepillpaw.com, and you can guys learn about more about my story there. I have a whole about me section, and I'm definitely gonna continue to update it now with the funding and expanding my business. So just stay tuned.
Fantastic. And for everybody at home watching, just so you know, we'll definitely put the link in the show notes so you can just click on the link and head right on over, check out the website. And speaking of the audience, if this is your first time with Mission Matters and you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe or follow button. This is a daily show. Each and every day, we're bringing you new content, new ideas, and hopefully new inspiration to help you along the way in your journey as well. So again, hit that subscribe or follow button. And Muna, again, thank you so much for coming on and
Thank
congrats.
you. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.